Hey, my name is Justin Sodiq and I am an artist. Tara samahan niyo naman ako. Dodrawing ko lang yung tong dalawang sexy na babae na to. Actually, this is for Cian Dominguez and originally kay Jackie Gonzaga. Pero, na-realize ko, birthday rin pala ni Miss J Barreto, si Julia Barreto, which is, I think, one of the best faces I've seen in showbiz. Including Cian Dominguez, ang ganda talaga ng mukha nilang pareho. And, wala, parang gusto ko lang mag-drawing. So, ginawa ko lang to within 2 hours. Charot. Anyway, here's the final product. Sexy Cian and Julia Barreto. And they're saying it's their birthday. What the fuck? It should be about us. Charot. Bye-bye!